Accurate testing of electrical currents can be critical for establishing the safety and efficiency of various types of machines and circuitry. There are many products available to choose digital oscilloscopes, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best digital oscilloscopes from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Siglent Technologies SDS1104XE 100 MHz Digital Oscilloscope. The SDS1000XE series employs a new generation of SPO technology that provides excellent signal fidelity and performance. The system noise is also lower than similar products in the industry. It comes with a minimum vertical input range of 500 UV, div, an innovative digital trigger system with high sensitivity and low jitter, and waveform capture rate of 400 frames sec. The SDS1000XE also employs a 256-level intensity grading display function and a color temperature display mode not found in other models in this class. Siglent's latest oscilloscope offering supports multiple powerful triggering modes including serial bus triggering. Serial bus decoding for EIC, SPI, UART, CAN, LIN bus types is included. The XE models also include history waveform recording and sequential triggering that enable extended waveform recording and analysis. Another powerful addition is the new 1,000,000-point FFT math function that gives the SDS1000XE very high frequency resolution when observing signal spectra. Number 2. Hantek DS1054Z Digital Storage Oscilloscope. This oscilloscope can store more than 1,000 waveforms information and can upgrade the system through the USB port, support plug-and-play USB storage devices, and communicate with the computer and remote control through USB. With 32 different kinds of waveform parameters, automatic measurement with FFT standard, provide manual, tracking automatic, cursor test function, achieve the goal of more accurate measurement. Large 7 inches 64 Kelvin color TFT LCD display with a resolution of 800 x 480. It can clearly show any measured alternating current, including sine, square, sawtooth, and triangular waves. USB design, multifunction button design with clear button division, improve work efficiency, folding handle design, convenient storage and portable, making work more convenient. Number 3. Siglent Technologies SDS1202XE 200 MHz Digital Oscilloscope. 200 MHz, 1 GSA divided by S. The SDS1202XE series employs a new generation of SPO technology that provides excellent signal fidelity and performance. The system noise is also lower than similar products in the industry. It has a minimum vertical input range of 500 UV, div, an innovative digital trigger system with high sensitivity and low jitter, and a waveform capture rate of 400 frames sec. It also employs a 256-level intensity grading display function and a color temperature display mode not found in other models in this class. Siglent's new oscilloscopes offering supports multiple powerful triggering modes including serial bus triggering. Another powerful addition is the new 1M points FFT math function that gives the SDS1000XE very high frequency resolution when observing signal spectra. Number 4. Rigel DS1054Z Digital Oscilloscopes. It also comes with an impressive amount of memory as standard, but some of its abilities disappear after a trial period and then cost more to use. 50 MHz digital oscilloscope with 4 channels plus 24 MPT memory and 1 GSA sec sampling. 4 channels, 50 MHz bandwidth. Now includes free software bundle BNDMSO divided by DS1000Z built into the unit. Deeper memory 24 MPTS included. Analog channel bandwidth 100 MHz, 70 MHz, 50 MHz. 4 analog channels, 16 digital channels. Real-time sample rate up to 1 GSA S. Memory depth up to 24 MPTS. Up to 30,000 WFMS S waveform capture rate. Up to 60,000 frames hardware real-time waveform recording and playback functions. Various trigger and bus decoding functions. Low noise floor, vertical scale range, 1 MV, div to 10V, div. Number 5. SSmart DS212 pocket-size portable handheld mini digital storage oscilloscope. Built-in signal generator, it has modes of vertical precise, horizontal precise measurement, and triggering thresholds. Operation is very simple and easy, using taps and swipes much like any smartphone. Built-in 8 MB storage space, it makes saving and transferring waveform data and images easier than ever. The 2.8 320 by 240 bright color TFT display presents any measured AC current, including sine, square, sawtooth, and triangle waveforms. Its small form factor conveniently fits inside any pocket, so it's always ready when you need it. Built-in 3.7V 500 mAh lithium battery. DS212 is widely applicable in the academic experiment, electronics maintenance, electronic engineering tasks, etc. The DS212 mini digital handheld oscilloscope is a staple to any electronics toolkit. Its two-channel functionality makes it ideal for most experimental, maintenance, and engineering projects. Housed inside a durable shell with an aluminum alloy finish, the DS212 is sleek, compact, and incredibly powerful for its size. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.